Hello student, today we are starting 4C exercise. This exercise is about the highest common factor or greatest common factor. So what is the highest common factor? First of all, we will see the first question. First find the common factors of these numbers, then mark their highest common factor. So how we will solve this question? First is 9 and 15. 9 and 15. So we will write the factors of 9. We know about the what is factors. So we will write here the 1 is the common factor. 1, 3, 3 3 is a 9 and 9 itself. Okay. And the factors of 15 is they are divisible by these numbers. Okay, they are called the factors. So 9 is divisible by 1, 9 is divisible by 3, 9 is divisible by 9. Okay. Second is 15. So the factors of 15 is 1, 3, 5, 5 3 is 15, 3 5 is 15 and 15 1 is 15. Okay, so we will see in these factors of 9 and 15, 9 is common factor, 3 is common factor, and okay, only the two factors are common. So we will write here the common factor is 9 and 3, and the highest common factor in these numbers is 3. So we will write here 3. Okay, this is called the highest common factor. Okay, see the next question. B. B is 8 and 16. 8 and 16. So first of all we will write the factors of 8. The factors of 8 is 1 is 8 is divisible by 1. 2 4s are 8. So 8 is divisible by 2. 8 is divisible by 4. 4 2s are 8. And 8 itself it is divisible by 8. 8 1s are 8. So the factors of 8 is 1. This is 1. Okay. 1, 2, 4 and 8. Second factor, second number is 16. So we will write the factors of 16 is 1, 2 8s are 16, 4 2s are 8, and 8 2s are 16, and 16 1s are 16. So these are the factors of 16. So we will see here the common factor of these numbers. 1 it's a common, 2 it's common, 4 it's common, and 8. Okay, so we will write here the common numbers are 1, 2, 4 and 8. So which is the highest common number and highest common and greatest common factor? Greatest common factor and highest common factor are both are the same. So we will write here the 8 is common factor. Okay, highest common factor. This is our answer. So this exercise is all about your highest common factor, and the second question is complete the highest common chart. So some are done for you. So how you will solve the highest common factor chart? First of all you will find out the common factor of these numbers and then write in the chart. Okay, it's your homework, and this chart you will solve. Third question is these numbers have already been factorized for you and find the highest common factor of the given number. So how you will find the highest common factor? Because already is given the factors of these numbers 20, 16, 40 and 36, 27. Okay, so we will write here only the highest common factor and choose here. Okay, so the first question is of third question 20 and 40. So first of all we will write the factors of 20. 2 multiply 2 multiply 5, and the factors of 40 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 5. Okay, 2 2s are 4 and 4 5s are 20. 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 10 and 10 5s are 50. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 5s are 40. So we will write here the common factor of 2. 2, there is a 2, there is 2, and 5 is also okay. So we will write here the pair of the, we will select the pair of the factors of this pair. 2 multiply 2 multiply 5. So 2 2s are 4 and 4 5s are 20. So it is a common factor of these numbers. Okay, So I think third question is also same. You can use in fourth question, find the highest common factor of these using the prime factorization method. So the prime factorization, you can use the tree method, and you can use the simple factors of, you can write the numbers of the factors. That is simple and easy. Okay, so that method you can do and you can use. Okay, it's a simple method and you can find the highest common factor. Okay, so we will write here 6 and 10. So the factors of 6 and 10 is 1, it's a common. Factors of 6 is 1, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, and 6 1s are 6. And the factors of 10 is 1, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, sorry, 5 2s are 10, and 10 1s are 10. So factors is 1, 2. Okay, so the common factor is 1 and 2, and highest common factor is 2. Okay, so our answer is 2. Okay, so this exercise is finished here. Thank you so much.